So, but it's good. So it's like street now?
No, it's not drivable
Just,
right now. It's gonna get to it this way.
So you put the engine in and it needs to get programmed to where.
Well, it runs.
But you don't. It's not going to be doing what it needs to be doing. Damn, that's cool, bro. Wow, look at this one. So I'm rolling now, y'all. Thank y'all. So yeah, look at this toolbox, y'all. It's a Snap-on. It's the Master Series, dual hutch. A lot of times they'll have their screens in here, but they're like over 60 grand for these things. But anyways, we got it loaded, y'all. It was difficult, but I used a ramp, and now I'm covering it with a blanket because I don't want to scratch it. Like I said, I mean, come on, dude. 60 grand, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Just 60 grand, you guys. I can't. You take it nice and slow. Nice and slow. I think I want to go more center. I'm typically do not get too nervous with these things, guys. You get to a point to where their confidence is a kind of a. It's your part of your routine almost. You're pretty sure of yourself, and you've done so much stuff similar. Now this is the biggest box I've ever done. But I've done so many that were close to this size, you know, the half hutches, whatever you call them. Obviously they weren't like this one, but they were still very large, right? So, you get, there's a confidence that comes with it to have done a bunch of toolboxes. Now, also you don't want to be crunching the things, and so typically I like to take a board and put up on top like this, at least on one side and sometimes on two. And the reason why is because if you get that board up there, I thought I brought two boards. Oh, there it is. I'm using it. So what I'm doing is I like to use that board, you know what I mean? It holds the pressure, it distributes the pressure across more of an even surface, and instead of down on that one part, right? So it distributes your load. And guys, all right, MIT, guys, I've been speaking with the new lady at MIT, and they're sending me some stuff. I'm getting some ramps. There are some ramps coming and some other stuff, but guys, no joke, y'all are about to see me using new gear that I've never been able to afford, because I just can't. You guys, I have to be careful with what my business spends the money on. Come on, you guys have got to understand at this point, like you can't just go out and blowing money on stuff just because you want it. You have to absolutely need it. And so they sent out a message to me saying, hey, because you know I'm always bragging about their products, you guys, because I cannot afford anything else. They're the only thing I've been able to afford, and they have never let me down. So those two things right there go a long ways with me. They've been there with me since day one. Now I'm gonna chalk that tire. Chalk this tire. I gotta get more chalks. Chalk this tire. the idle a little bit. We're going 3 miles. It's a short tow. Typically, I'll put more straps on a toolbox than this, you guys, but this situation, I don't have a lot of long straps. I'm gonna have to talk to the lady at MIT and see if she can help me get some longer straps. I'm pretty sure they'll do it. Man, this is super awesome. Super awesome, you guys. Wow. I mean, look at it. Gas are down. All right, y'all, I'll be back. Let me get another back shot of it. What a big machine.
It's just that they got all these bumps. I don't know if that's gonna roll over that. The weight will make it roll on it. We can get her all the way from the back to the garage. I'll pull them out. Y'all can tell me what you think.
Yeah, as long as they got some type of lip that we can roll them up on. If we can get the lip up onto that ramp, man, I don't see why it would be an issue.
The other side's got a lip on it.
Perfect. Then we can have the hard side where it comes off at.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. That might actually, man, this might very much help. Let me see one of those. I'm not gonna drop it. Yep.
They got straps on them
Just in case, so you can mount them.
Yeah, I use it for loading motorcycles up, so I got the strap that hooked on to the bumper.
Look at that.
That can be better?
Yeah, I do believe so, man.
Okay. I just need to have rolls on top of this.
Yeah, absolutely. Yes, sir. And then we'll make sure that the width is right. That's gonna be dead on. I don't see why this would be an issue at all.
Yeah, it probably will.
Yeah, if they're how far away do you think they are?
I don't know.
We can give them a minute if y'all want.
Yeah, let me call them and see how far.
It's just worth it's worth not taking chances for sure.
He said we can go ahead and unload
Okay.
if we want to.
All right, let's go ahead and see what we can do. Let's take the locks off the tires.
I think they're on the road now.
Oh, there. All right, you got them? Because I locked them. Up is? You said up is unlocked?
Yeah, up's unlocked.
Oh, okay.
That's a good. I've got my motorcycle ramp, so I'm just gonna lower it onto.
I'm gonna gas up the truck a little bit. That way it comes down with some force. So I guess the only thing we can do is to try to lift up a little bit.
Trying to lift up a little bit.
Yeah, just a hair.
Do you have a jack?
While standing on, not with me. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Nope.
Can we have a jack? Motorcycle jack. No, so if we can get rid of the jack underneath it, just. You don't have a car jack? I'm here now. I got a motorcycle. Get all over on the motorcycle.
We could try the silver ramp real quick and see what happens.
Yeah, but then we have to, we're not pushing this over this thing. So is it loose right now? And it's stuck on the... We can try pulling it back up, maybe bending those metal phalanges back a little bit, but... So not good. The bed of your truck on the floor here?
I mean, yep. Restrapping everything back down. I mean, it looks like it's what we're gonna have to do. I don't have no choice.
We're backing up?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, put another strap on things for a second.
Okay.
Can you grab a hold of it just in case, please? Somebody? Thank you. I'm just gonna put one strap on it, level it out, and back up a little bit. You're good now. All right.
How did you take the highway? That's what I told him. I said it's probably not going to go around. Yeah, hey, this is not going to flip around like that.
Just in case it wants to break, which is probably going to.
I can see it's not long. Look, it's not fucking 10 feet long. They said we can't turn it around. At least we can move this. I think it's different. I think Michael's in there. I think it's 10 feet longer.
All right, y'all ready? Y'all ready?
Yeah, let's slide it down.
All right, guys. Let me know if you see anything sketchy, okay?
Hold on, we're pushing up against it.
Yeah, I'm with you. It's about to go up on it. It's going, let's see. Keep a foot on it. It don't have a lot, no slack hardly, just enough to get up on the lip. Okay. Let's see. I think it's going. Yeah, that's it. Okay. All right, I'm gonna give it a little bit of slack. Good deal, y'all. Okay, what we gotta worry about is these back tires now, okay? So what I'm gonna do is as we go down, I'll adjust that ramp just like we did last time. Yes, sir. How y'all doing? Okay, so yeah, you got it, bro. That's exactly what I was about to do. I like it. How are you looking over there?
Yeah, I'm good on this side. How about this side?
I'm sorry.
Oh, you're good, you're good.
All right, I'm also, that's as good as I'm gonna get.
All right, I got a foot on it.
All set?
Yep.
All right, I'm doing the same thing as last time. I'm gonna give it a shove.
Okay.
Almost. A little bit more slack. This ought to get us up on it. All right, man, I hope your foot stays okay. There it goes. Good over here? That ramp did exactly what I needed it to do, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna bend this down so it don't scratch your box. Good deal. Beautiful, y'all. Good job, guys.